In this video, I will show you how to link your EA account to YouTube. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, this can be very handy to do as it will entitle you to some in-game rewards that you may be eligible for. To get started, come across to youtube.com and make sure you're signed into the YouTube account that you want to link. Then what you want to do is come up to the top right hand corner, click onto your profile icon. On this menu that comes up, all you want to do is come down and click onto settings. And once you're on your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto connected apps. Now from here, you're going to see a ton of different accounts and apps that you can connect. So all you need to do is find Electronic Arts, you can see that's here, and then click the connect button. Just a note as well, to do this, you do need a personal account. You cannot do this with connecting brand accounts. So make sure you are logged into a personal account and then click on to connect. Now what's going to happen is a window is going to pop up like this where it says connect accounts, and you can watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. At this point, click onto the blue connect button, and as you can see it says continue to connect accounts. So all you want to do is click onto the continue button, and then it's going to ask you to log in with your EA account. Once you've signed in, it's just going to take a minute or two to go through, and then you're going to get a confirmation saying accounts connected. Now you're eligible to watch approved events and videos for a chance to get in-game rewards. So just simply click onto got it, and as you can see it now says connected, which means you would have successfully connected your accounts. So that is how to link EA account to YouTube. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.